Hello everyone, welcome to Career Launcher, and in today's session we are going to do DILR for CAT and grid based 4. So we have already covered 3 sessions of grid based. If you haven't watched those videos, then I would say then go and watch those videos. That's how we are going to approach those kind of questions. Okay, so now let's start. So basically, if you see OpenCDC is live, OpenCDC is going to be held on 8th and 9th of August. And why we are asking people to write OpenCDC, because if you look at the scores of OpenCDC, that the major difference between OpenCDC in 99 percentile is at center we got 71 marks. People who got 71 marks got 99 percentile, and anyone who has written at home the 99 percentile among those is 102, and there is a gap of 31 marks. Now this is not the preparation that made this difference. This is the actual pressure of the examination center. When you are going to write the exam in the center, you are going to see a lot of people, and that creates a lot of anxiety and pressure. So that's the reason this is a mock that no one should skip, everyone should write. So if you are if you haven't registered for OpenCDC, this is a barcode, you can scan and register for it now. Okay. Now, Race to 99 workshop is going to happen on 1st and 2nd August, and that is going to be conducted by GP sir, Shiku sir, Jijo, and GB. And this is something where we are going to discuss about the mock strategies and other kind of things, that how to approach a paper, how to approach questions, what to solve, what to leave during the exam, what is round 1, what is round 2. So again, that is a very good strategy building platform. So again, if you haven't registered for Race to 99, then I would say just scan the barcode, register it now. So let's move on to today's session. Today's set, what does it say? A farmer had a rectangular land containing 205 trees. Okay. He distributed that land among his 4 daughters A, B, C, D by dividing the land into 12 plots XYZ. So rows are XYZ, columns are 1, 2, 3, 4. We can see in the figure itself. The plot in row X contained mango. Okay, so basically we got mango trees over here. Then we got teak trees over here, and we got pine trees over here. Okay, each plot had a non-zero multiple of 3 or 4, and none of the plots have same number of trees. Okay, so every value should be distinct, as well as every number should be either a multiple of 3 or 4. So if I look at 12, it is a multiple of both 3 and 4. If I look at 21, this is a multiple of 3. If I look at 9, this is a multiple of 3. If I look at 28, that is a multiple of 4. And rest the values are missing. Usual thing. Each daughter got even number of plots. Okay, so I would say there are 4 daughters A, B, C, and D, and they are having in total of 12 plots, and everyone has 12 number of plots. So one of the arrangements can be 6, 2, 2, 2. That is 12 plots. It can be 4, 4, 2, 2. That is 12 plots. Any other arrangement is possible? No. So there are going to be 2 possibilities of plots, that one of the daughter got 6 plots, remaining 3 daughters got 2 plots, as well as 2 daughters got 4 plots and 2 daughters got 2 plots. Okay. Now, what does it say? In the figure, the number mentioned left corner is a ticket. So this represents who owns it. This represents what is the number of trees in that plot. Okay, and that is what they have explained. Okay. Now the information here, what does it says about the information that they are giving? That is going to be Abha got 20 trees. Abha got 20 trees, and 20 trees more than Chitra. Okay. And but 6 trees less than Deepthi. Okay, fair point. The largest number of trees in a plot were how many? 32, but it was not with Abha. Okay. The number of teak trees in column 3 was double that of number of teak trees in double that in column 2, but half of that in column 4. Okay, whatever it is. So let's write it down. The number of teak trees in column 3 was double that of column 2. Okay, so let's say there are 8 trees. So these are mango. Then we got teak. Then we got pine. And this is going to be 2a. And this number is half of this number, so that is going to be 4a. Okay. Only Beena and Chitra, both Abha and Beena got higher number of plots than Deepti. Okay. So it means I had 2 arrangements, that is 6,222. Another arrangement was 4,422. Now in this arrangement, only one person is getting higher than remaining 3. In the second case, 2 people are getting higher than remaining 2. So it means I can have only second arrangement that is possible, that Abha and Beena got 4, Chitra and Deepti got 2 plots. So this is what that is sorted. So I can now say that this arrangement is wrong and this arrangement is right. These are the number of plots. Only Beena, Chitra and Deepti got corner plots. Okay. So Beena got corner plot, Chitra got corner plot, Deepti got corner plot. It means this person definitely cannot be A. This person definitely cannot be A. Okay. Now Chitra got 2 plots. One plot is this, another plot is this. Okay. So this can't be Chitra as well. So this has to be either B or D. Okay. Deepti got 2 adjoining plots in the same row. So I need to have D and D. Then Beena was the only one who got a plot in each row and each column. Okay, so whatever it is, each row, each column, Beena got. So I need to figure a lot of things to get this done. Chitra and Deepti did not get plots that were adjacent to each other. Okay, so if I place this D and D over here, then Chitra's plot are going to be adjacent to Deepti's plot, and that's not possible. So the only arrangement I can think of, that this is Deepti, this is also Deepti. And why I am saying that? Because Beena got corner plot, Chitra got corner plot, Deepti got corner plot. So if Deepti cannot get corner plot over here, then Deepti must get corner plot over here, and one plot of Deepti is this, one plot of Deepti is this. Okay. So who can get this plot? Definitely Beena, because it can't be A, it can't be C, because C got 2 plots. So one is this, one is this. Okay. Now in the first row, Beena needs to get a plot because Beena got a plot in every row and every column. So this is going to be Beena. Okay. Now in this column, Beena did not get any plot. In this row, Beena did not get any plot. It means this should be Beena, that Beena got this plot. Okay. So Chitra got 2 plots, Deepti got 2 plots, Beena got 4 plots, and the remaining plots should belong to Abha. So this is A, this is A. Okay. The number of mango trees were double of teak trees. Okay. So if let's say these are X, then these are 2X, and this is all the information we got. Okay. I have no idea how to approach. Now what I'm going to do? I'm going to do some things. How many mango trees were there in total? Okay, no idea, but let's see. 49. 49 I can say that is rejected because the total number of mango trees are 2x, so that can't be odd numbers. It is going to be either this or this or this. How many pine trees did Chitra receive? 15, 21, 30, 48. Okay. Now, if I look at this, Chitra got 12 trees over here, some trees over here. So what are the total number of trees with Chitra? So what I am going to do, I am going to say 15 plus 12, so 27, 21 plus 12, that is 33, 30 plus 12, that is 42, and 18 plus 12, that is 30. So the possible number of trees that Chitra can get are going to be these ones. Okay. Now, which of the following is the correct sequence of trees received by Abha, Beena, Chitra and Deepti in that order? Okay. This is 50, this is 69, this is 30. Chitra can get 30. That is a possible number. 56. 60, 39, 40, and 56. Chitra cannot get 40 trees. So this option is rejected because that is not a possible number over here. 44, 87, 24, 50. Again, 24 is not a possible number because that does not match. 54, 57, 34, and 60. Again, that does not match, so rejected. So it means I got the answer of question number 2 as this. I got the answer of question number of 3, that is this. It means I got arrangement. I got Abha got 50 trees. Then who got? Beena got 69 trees. Chitra got 18 trees. And Deepti got 58 trees, 56 trees. Okay. Okay. So basically 2 answers are clear. Which of the following statements is not true? Let me come to that. Which column had the highest number of trees? Okay, so basically now this is what we need to deal with. Okay, now let's start. Okay, so what I am going to see now, that I already figured out Chitra got 18 trees. Abha got in total of 50 trees. Okay, so Abha got 50 trees. Abha got 50 trees. Now this is 21, this is 930. So A plus 4A comes out to be 5A. So 30 plus 5A is 50. So 5A comes out to be 20. It means this is going to be 4. This is going to be 8. And this is going to be 16. So what are the total number of teak trees? That is 16 plus 4, 20 plus 8, 28. 28 plus 21 comes out to be 49. So total number of teak trees are 49. So total number of mango trees become 98. Okay. So total number of mango trees becomes 98 and that is option 4. That's it. 3 answers done. Okay. Now Deepti is getting how many trees? So let's say total number of trees are 205. Out of that, 98 plus 49, 147, 147. So this has to be 58. So total number of pine trees are 58. Now I can say this is 18, this is 9, 27, 27 plus 28, 55. So this becomes 3. Now I can say one thing, that question initially stated, what did it state? It is stated that number of trees should be multiple of either 3 or 4. So smallest possible number of trees that are possible is going to be 3. So that belongs to Beena and that is pine tree. So now this one. So Beena got 3 trees and now I also got the answer of question number 3. I don't have to solve anymore. Now let's look at question number 5. Which of the following statements is not true? Chitra got 12 mango trees. Chitra got 12 mango trees. That is true. That is given in the question itself. So first statement is false. Okay. Deepti got 56 mango trees. That is right. Because if you look, Deepti got 56 trees and Deepti is getting only mango trees. So total number of trees received by Deepti is going to be this. Abha got 41 teak trees. Abha got 41 teak trees. Abha is getting 16 plus 4, 20 plus 21, 41 teak trees. That is correct. So that is also false. That is also wrong. And Beena got 32 pine trees. That is false. So I got 5 answers till this point and I have not done a lot of calculation because question is asking me not to calculate. If I'm going to take the help of question number 2 and question number 3, I am good to go. I can directly find the answers. Now let's look at this. Deepti got in total of 56 trees. This is 56, this is 12, so 68. So Beena must be getting 30 trees of mango. Okay. The largest number of trees in a plot was 32 and till now we haven't seen 32 anywhere. So that is going to be 32 plus 24. So this looks like 66. This is in reality 56. So basically what we are going to have, which column had the highest number of trees? Okay, which column got the highest number of trees? So now there can be two possibilities. I don't know which column has 32, which column has 24. So let's say this is 32, this is 24. This is 12, 21, 3. That is going to be some number that is going to be close to 30, 40. Column 2 is definitely more than column 1. So column 1 cannot be the answer. Okay. 32 plus 8 plus 9, that is going to be 49. So column 2 is still greater than column 3. Okay. Now this is 24 plus 16, 40. 40 plus 68, that is column 4. Till now it is column 4. If I do 32 here, 28 here, which column has the highest number of trees? Definitely column 4. Now number of trees has increased. So it doesn't make a difference whether this value is 32 or 24. The highest number of trees are always going to belong to column 4. So here my answer of this question is going to be option 4, fourth column. And with this, have I got the answers right? Yes, more or less. All the answers are right, and this is how you should approach this set. Thank you. And test series is live. If you haven't enrolled for the test series, it's a good time to enroll for it. And you should scan this barcode and register for the test series now. And with this, let's conclude this session. Thank you.